In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror data between boards in Monday.com. To get started, open the Monday.com board where you want the mirrored information to appear. This is the board your team will be working from, so make sure you're in the correct place before making any changes. Mirrored data is useful when you want to display information from another board without manually copying it over, which helps keep everything accurate and up to date. Once you're inside the right board, the first thing you need to do is add a Connect Boards column. This step is essential because the mirror column depends on a connection between two boards before it can display any data. To add it, use the option to create a new column and choose Connect Boards from the available column types. After that, connect the item in your current board to the relevant item in another board. This creates the relationship that Monday.com uses to pull information across. Be careful to select the correct linked item because the mirrored value will only be as accurate as the connection you set up here. If the wrong item is connected, the mirrored details will also be wrong. With the connection in place, go ahead and add a mirror column. Like before, create a new column and select mirror from the list of column types. The platform will then guide you through choosing what information you want to display from the connected board. Next, choose the connected board data you want to show. If your board is linked to more than one source or connection, take a moment to select the correct connected board relationship. This tells Monday.com exactly where the mirrored information should come from. Then select the specific column you want to mirror. For example, this could be a status, date, owner, text field, or another supported column from the connected board. Choose carefully so the mirrored column reflects the exact piece of information your workflow needs. This is especially helpful for reducing duplicate work and keeping teams aligned across different boards. Finally, save your setup and confirm that the mirrored value appears correctly. Once saved, the mirror column should display the chosen information from the connected item. It's a good idea to quickly verify that the value matches what's shown in the source board. If something doesn't look right, check the board connection first, then confirm you selected the correct source column. And that's it. You've successfully set up mirrored data in Monday.com, making your board more connected, organized, and easier to manage.